Becoming successful in life is a personal journey, as success means different things to different people. However, there are universal principles that can guide you toward achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life. Here's a step-by-step approach. Structure for ters. 1. Define your version of success. Success isn't just about money or fame. It could mean happiness, impact, freedom, or personal growth. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? What makes me feel fulfilled? 2. Set clear, measurable goals. Break down your vision into short-term and long-term goals. Use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, or elevant, ime-bound. 3. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges and learn from failures. See them as feedback. Continuously improve skills through books, courses, and mentors. Stay adaptable. The world changes fast. Build strong habits, discipline. Success is the result of daily habits, not luck. Wake up early, exercise, read, plan your day, and avoid distractions. Focus on a consistency over intensity. 5. Master time management. Prioritize tasks using the ime-bound 20 rule TAR. Focus on the 20% that gives 80% of results. Avoid procrastination. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Learn to say no to distractions and unproductive tasks. Build valuable skills. Develop high-income skills, e.g., coding, sales, marketing, leadership. Improve soft skills, communication, emotional intelligence, networking. Stay ahead by learning AI, automation, and future-proof skills. 7. Network, surround yourself with winners. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Jim Rohn. Connect with mentors, join masterminds, and learn from successful people. Give value first. Networking is about helping others, not just taking. 8. Take calculated risks. Safe choices rarely lead to extraordinary success. Start that business, invest wisely, or switch careers if needed. Fail fast, learn, and pivot. 9. Manage finances wisely. Save, invest early. Compound interest is powerful. Avoid bad debt, live below your means, and build multiple income streams. Financial freedom, more choices in life. 10. Stay persistent, resilient. Success takes time. Most people quit too soon. Stay motivated by reviewing your why daily. Learn from setbacks. Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and Oprah failed before succeeding. 11. Give back. Stay humble. True success includes making a positive impact. Help others, mentor, donate, or contribute to a cause. Stay grounded. Arrogance can destroy success. 12. Maintain health balance. Without health, success means nothing. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Goswami Explorer,